Physical force can repress, restrain, coerce, destroy, but it cannot create and organize anything permanent. Only love can do that.
Here at Landon, we are building a community based on our core values and upholding the honor and civility codes. Dr. King's adjective, beloved, indicates his intention and hope for the community he was striving to create.
It is this type of spirit and this type of love that can transform opposers into friends.
This is a method that seeks to transform and to redeem and win the friendship of the opponent. Make it possible for men to live together as brothers in a community.
Bishop Joel is known to me and his community more broadly as someone who handles his positions of leadership with conviction, poise, and courage. Like the Reverend Martin Luther King Jr., Bishop Peebles leverages his own talents and his ministry to sow significant social change in his community in the interest of making the world more equitable for everybody.
Young men at Landon, this is Martin Luther King's birthday. We don't celebrate it just by throwing a party. We celebrate it by realizing we have been called to something significant and powerful. You are the answer this world needs. So I celebrate you today for the incredible work you're going to be known for tomorrow.
As we head into the holiday, I want you all to remember what Reverend Dr. King's wife, Claretta Scott King, said about this King's holiday. Let this holiday be a day of reflection, a day of teaching nonviolent philosophy and strategy, a day of getting involved for social and economic progress, a day on, not a day off.
I hope you'll treat it as more as a day to do something to make our, what is the theme of today's assembly, to make our beloved community that much better.